China is having world's biggest navy. It currently operates 70 plus submarines and 2 aircraft carriers. China's navy has planned to launch 6 new aircraft carrier strike group by 2035. Therefore, the biggest question before Indian Navy is whether they build a third aircraft carrier or 6 nuclear powered attack submarines. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest developments happening in the defense sector. We have seen a lot of debate and discussions on the priority of Indian Navy. Finally, the most debated topic of Indian Navy in past few years has come to a conclusive decision. The Navy has finally clarified its priority. The Indian Navy wants to induct 6 more nuclear powered submarines on priority and would decide later on the induction of third aircraft carrier. But for now, Indian Navy is going ahead with 6 nuclear powered submarines. The decision was taken during the Indian Navy's recently held Combined Commanders Conference at Kevadia in Gujarat. Indian Navy will seek acceptance of necessity approval from government on the SSN project. However, this has triggered another speculation among the defense analysts. Why Navy has chosen nuclear power SSNs over an aircraft carrier? Is it wise to delay the third aircraft carrier for few more years? The answer lies in the challenges before the Indian Navy. The most imminent threat before India is China, and the world has witnessed the same in last 1 year. China is now the world's largest navy in numbers, operating 79 submarines, 94 submarine chasers, 2 aircraft carriers and much more. Indian Navy on contrary operates just 70 plus submarines and 1 aircraft carrier in service and another one undergoing sea trials and planned to be inducted by end of this year. The another challenge is budget. The cost of an aircraft carrier can vary from 8 to 17 billion dollars and 14 years to build them. Let's also try to understand India's existing submarine fleets. India is currently operating INS Chakra, which is Akula 2 class nuclear attack submarine, and INS Arihant, which is Arihant class nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine. India is also building second Arihant class submarine called INS Arighat, which is an indigenously developed nuclear powered submarine capable of carrying nuclear ballistic missile, also called SSBN, is soon to be commissioned in early 2021. The SSBN is in the final stage of its trial. After induction of Arighat, India will have 2 indigenously built SSBNs in operation. India has also planned 2 more SSBNs to be inducted by 2023, but it will be larger than its predecessors, that is INS Arihant and INS Arighat. These are S4 and S4 Star class submarines, which will have a displacement of 7,000 tons, which is 1,000 tons more than the Arihant class submarines. Indian Navy also operates 15 conventional powered submarines. Talking about aircraft carrier, Indian Navy is currently operating INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant is undergoing sea trial. The third and proposed aircraft carrier is going to be INS Vishal, which is yet to be approved. Indian Navy also lacks in number of fighter jets when compared to China, and we have made a detailed video on Indian Navy's plan for future submarines and requirement. The link for the same can be found in the I button or description section. China clearly has edge over number when it comes to submarines, and it takes a lot of effort, money and time to build these submarines. It almost takes 10 years to build a submarine. Considering the Chinese capability to develop 12,000 ton run high class destroyers, the Navy has decided to delay the aircraft carrier for now and focus on nuclear attack submarines to counter them. The real reason India is going for nuclear class submarine is its maintenance cost and long operational range when compared to conventional powered submarines. The Navy's conventional powered submarines are yet to be integrated with AIP system, in absence of which the conventional diesel electric submarines have to surface frequently to charge their batteries. However, a nuclear submarine run by a nuclear reactor and can run almost indefinitely underwater without the need to come on surface, only bound by human restrictions for food and supply needs. An SSN could patrol the entire length of Indian Ocean without surfacing even once. while India has a number of options to jointly develop the submarines with countries like Russia, France, and US. Under the Atmanirbhar program, India's preferred partners appears to be Paris, as it has already designed Kalvari-class diesel attack submarines for Indian Navy and is jointly developing a nuclear attack submarine for Brazil under a strategic partnership. Apart from being India's closest allies in defense technology, joint development of submarines with France is free from any regulatory regimes such as International Traffic in Arms Regulation ITAR with US or any future sanctions in case of Russia. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.